As you all know, I think traditionally we divide the treatment algorithm in multiple myeloma into two big chapters, I would say. The transplant-eligible young and fit patient, the non-transplant eligible, usually unfit elderly patient, or those patients who don't wish to proceed to transplant. The frontline treatment algorithm has been changing significantly over the last couple of years. In the transplant setting, for instance, all the induction regimens have been changing. Professor Philippe Moreau will give you an overview about the most recent changes in how to deliver a state-of-the-art induction regimen prior to transplant. We should not forget the role of consolidation, the role of maintenance therapy after transplant. This is why we're pleased having Dr. Michele Cavo, Dr. Mary-V. Mateos, who will tackle these important post-transplant treatments issues. But of course, one must give a special consideration to high-risk cytogenetics. And that's going to be the hard task of Dr. Peter Sonneveld, who will maybe give you a few hints on how to perform some special approaches in the high-risk cytogenetics. So please, don't miss this one.